Today, let's explain what stateless and stateful services are. Imagine you are shopping in an application like Amazon. You add a pair of wireless headphones to your cart. A few seconds later, you change the quantity to 2. Then you open the checkout page. These are 3 separate requests, but the application must remember that they belong to the same shopping cart. Behind the application, several servers may be available to handle them. First, your add to cart request goes to server A. Server A keeps the cart only in its own local memory. Your next request goes to server B. Server B checks its memory and sees an empty cart because it cannot see what server A remembered. The system must keep sending your cart requests back to server A. This is a stateful service. One server keeps information from earlier requests, so later requests depend on reaching that same server. This can work. But if server A restarts or becomes unavailable, your cart may disappear or become temporarily unavailable. Scaling is also harder when each shopper is tied to one server. Now let's change the design. Instead of keeping the cart inside server A, the application saves it in a shared cart store, such as a database. The cart is stored under your session ID. Your next request identifies that session. Whether it reaches server A, B, or C, the server can load the same cart, change the quantity, and save the update. The application servers no longer remember your cart between requests. This is a stateless service. Each request carries enough information to find the shared record, so any server can handle it. Here is the important distinction. Stateless does not mean the shopping cart has no state. The cart still remembers your headphones and their quantity. The state simply lives in shared storage instead of one application server's local memory. Now the application can distribute requests across all available servers, add more servers as traffic grows, and continue if one server fails. There is still a trade-off. The shared cart store must be fast and reliable. Every application server now depends on it, and accessing it requires another network call. So remember, a stateful server keeps information from earlier requests. A stateless server uses each request to find that information in shared storage. Stateless application servers are usually easier to distribute, scale, and replace. But both approaches have valid uses.